A sweeping new change to U.S. immigration policy is now in effect nationwide. The U.S. Supreme Court lifted an order last Friday. The Trump administration is now implementing what's being called the public charge rule. It means people applying for a green card or visa will be judged on their income and education levels. It also looks at whether they already use public assistance, such as food stamps.
Rumors of deportation for any immigrant has many people pulling back now from needed services to which they are entitled.
Fox 13's Haley Higgins is live in Layton with concerns of nonprofits. Haley.
Yeah, Bob. Well, here at the Open Door Food Pantry, staff here tells me that they've noticed a decrease in the number of immigrants coming here for help. They say it's because of misinformation around that new the new public charge rule that went into effect today. Will this food cause deportation? It's a question whispered by some non-legal residents hungry for their next meal.
I think it's the perception that we are in to rat them out and somehow it's going to hurt them.
While the food is considered assistance, it's not government run and will not hurt a green card application. But even if it was, Community Action Partnership's Clint Cottom says legal status doesn't matter with their food, heating, or Head Start classes.
I think the misinformation on the rule is causing harm because a lot of our programs don't have these requirements, and we are definitely not reporting to Immigration and Homeland Security.
Catholic Community Services.
Rumors that accepting any help concerns immigrant activists. Very few people in Utah are affected by the charge rule, according to immigration attorney Alyssa Williams.
This only penalizes people who are receiving a benefit in their own name. That actually is a population that probably doesn't exist because the Department of Workforce Services does their job. They've checked their status.
Williams worries a non-legal mother would stop getting food stamps to feed her legal children.
Any benefit that they might have received, they're receiving for a child. And those people are completely not touched by this rule.
Williams says the charge rule affects people who are in the process of coming to the U.S., including elderly parents of U.S. citizens or people seeking a student visa. Those here now, though, she says, should accept any help they get. Now, this new charge rule is confusing. Even immigration attorneys are still trying to wrap their brains around it. But for people who are immigrants and they're looking to get their green card or a visa, and if they have some questions, it's always a good idea to talk with an immigration attorney. Reporting live in Layton, Haley Higgins, Fox 13 News, Utah.